name is Luis, let's have fun learning English. Hello, hello, my name is Luis, let's have fun learning English.
Tito Luis,
Oh!
ang ganda po rito.
Oo nga.
Pwede po ba makapagkaibigan sa kanila?
Aba, siyempre! Ay, bakit hindi kayo magpakilala sa kanila?
Sige po.
Sige!
Hello, hello. What is your name? My name is Candy. Hello, hello. What is your name? My name is Kenneth. Hello, hello. What is your name?
My name is Nara. Hello, hello. What is your name?
My name is Mary Grace. Hello, hello. What is your name?
My name is Smiley. Hello, hello. What is your name?
My name is Rap Rap.
Hello, hello. My name is Luis. Let's have fun learning English. Hello, hello. My name is Luis. Let's have fun learning English.
Saan kayo nagpunta, Phil? Halika, hanapin natin. Saan kaya nagtago yun?
Hello!
Hello! Hello! Hello!
Kids, let's practice. Pag narinig nyo ang tunog na ito, sagutin nyo ang tanong ko. Ready? What is your name? Oh, ngayon naman, pag narinig nyo ang itatanong nyo naman ang pangalan ng bawat isa sa amin. Oh. Ready? Oh, ako muna ang tanungin ninyo.
What is your name?
My name is Luis.
What is your name?
My name is Potpot.
What is your name? My name is Rap Rap. What is your name? My name is Mary Grace. What is your name? My name is Kenneth.
Very good! Kailangan na natin bumalik. Magpaalam na tayo kay Potpot. Goodbye!
Bye